Hello everyone, welcome to this amazing video tutorial. Today I want to show you how you can use different page numberings in a Word document. So let's start off. As you can see, I have a Word document here. I like this to insert different page numberings in this Word document. Take for example, from the start of this document here, I want all these pages to be numbered in Roman numerals. So up to here, I want the Roman numeral numbering to end here on page 3. Then from page 3 until the end, I would love to name this in figures. So in order to do that, I will come to my last page in which I want the first numbering to end, and I will press there my cursor. Then I head to the upper menu, I click on layout, then I click on break, then I select next page. So I want my first numbering to end at this page, then break. That's what I have done. So, but as you can see, these first pages are still numbered they are still numbered using figures. So in order to change this, what I have to do is I'll come and select the footer of the last page. Once I've selected it like that, and as you can see, it has highlighted footer section, then I'll click on the menu, upper menu here, right here. I'll click on insert, then look for page number option. Under page numbers, there are very many options to use, as you can see. For example, in case you want to place your footer above your page, on top of your page I mean, or on the bottom of your page margin. So there are various options that you can select from. So for me, I would like to place my page numberings at the bottom. So I'll select bottom. So as you can see, when you select bottom, there are various options you can choose from also. For example, the first one is at the start, the second one at the middle, third one at the end, or you can choose from very many options. For me, I will go with the second one at the middle. That's where I want my numbering to be. As you can see, it is in the middle. Then I'll go back and click on insert again, page numbers. Then I choose format page numbers in order to change them to Roman numerals. So as you can see, it is listed in figures 1, 2, 3, as you can see, but there is a down menu arrow here that you can use to select any format that you wish to use. So for me, I'll go ahead and select the Roman numerals because that's what I want to be applied on the first pages. After selecting Roman numerals, then I'll go ahead and click OK. So as you can see, they are inserted successfully as I wanted them to be. But when you go down, when you scroll down, these Roman numerals are ending on page 3. And and the following pages are starting with 4, 5 and 6, as you can see. I don't want these pages to begin with 4. I want them to be numbered starting from 1 until the end. So in order to do that, all I have to do is again select this first page footer. After selecting it, do the same thing, come to insert, click on page numbering, page format numbers, and as you can see, they are also selected. The system has selected that it is in numbering 1, 2, 3 like that. So, but it is starting with 4 like we saw. I want it to start with 1. So all I have to do is come to this section here, page numbering. Then, like you can see, it just continued from previous section. That's why it's counting 4, 5 and 6 like that. But I want it to start with 1. So that's why I have to select this radio button, start at 1. You can start with 0. It will depend 0 to any figure that you wish to start with. For my case, I'll start with 1 and I'll click OK. As you can see, it has changed automatically after selecting. So my pages are now looking the way I wanted. The first pages from the start until here, they are in Roman numerals, and the other ones are numbered in figures. That's how you can play around with numbering different pages in your Word document. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.